Every single website you visit is built on a foundation, a hidden language that tells your browser what to show you. That language is called HTML. In this video, you'll learn the absolute basics of HTML in under 7 minutes. Let's dive in. What is HTML? HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the fundamental technology used to build the structure of web pages. It works by using a system of tags, which tell the browser what each part of the content represents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, links, or forms. Because HTML focuses only on structure, it does not control colors, animations, or styling. Those are handled by other languages like CSS and JavaScript. However, HTML is still the foundation of everything on the web because every website begins with an HTML document. Learning HTML is an essential first step for anyone who wants to create websites, develop web applications, or understand how the internet displays information. Its syntax is simple and readable, making it one of the easiest programming-related languages for beginners to start with. How websites are built. HTML. Structure. The skeleton. HTML makes the basic layout of a website. HTML decides what appears on the page. CSS makes the website look good. Without CSS, websites look plain and ugly. JavaScript. Behavior. The brain. JavaScript makes websites interactive. How to create an HTML file. To create an HTML file, open a code editor like VS Code or Notepad and save a new file with the .html extension. I'm use Visual Code Studio. 1. HTML tag. This tag is the root tag of every HTML document. It tells the browser, this is an HTML page. All other HTML code must be inside.
2. Head tag.
The head tag contains information about the website, not what the user sees. It holds things like 1. The page title, 2. Links to CSS files, 3. Metadata, 4. Scripts. You normally do not see the content inside head tag on the web page. 3. Body tag. The body tag contains everything you see on the web page. Text, images, buttons, videos, links, forms. Whatever you want to show on the screen goes inside body tag. Basic HTML structure. Doctype HTML tells the browser this file is a HTML5 document. Not a tag, it is just an instruction. HTML tags. The start of your website. All HTML content must be inside opening HTML tag and closing HTML tag. Head tag. It contains hidden information about the web page. This section does not display anything on the screen. Title tag sets the title of the web page. This title appears on the Browser tab at the top of your screen. Body tag. Everything inside body tag will be visible on the web page. Text, images, buttons, videos, etc. H1 tag. H1 tag is a heading tag. It displays large, bold text. Here it shows hello on the page. How to run the file in Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, you can also run your project by pressing F5, which starts the built-in debugger. For normal HTML files, VS Code will open a setup window asking you to choose how you want to run your web page. I'm use the Chrome. HTML syntax example. An opening tag in HTML is the first part of an element, and it tells the browser what type of content is starting. It is written with angle brackets, like P or H1, and it marks the beginning of a paragraph, a heading, or any other element. The opening tag must always match the closing tag, and everything placed between them becomes the content. Understanding opening tags is important because they help structure and organize your web page correctly.
In HTML, content is the information that appears between the opening and closing tags of an element. It can be text, images, links, or anything you want to show on the web page. For example, in opening P tag, Hello World, closing P tag, the word Hello World is the content. The tags describe what the content is, and the content is what the user actually sees. Keeping your content clear and well organized helps make your web page easy to read and understand.
A closing tag in HTML marks the end of an element. It is written with a /, like P, to tell the browser that this part of the content is finished. The closing tag must match the opening tag, using the same name, so the browser knows where the element begins and ends. If a closing tag is missing, the web page may not display correctly or may create errors. Closing tags help keep your HTML structure clean and organized.
That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to run your HTML files in Visual Studio Code and see your web page in action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tutorials. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I love hearing from you.